are the 6 apps that you can use to make a lot of money with just your phone. Some of these apps do not require you to do anything at all, meaning you can binge watch Mr. Beast and still make a ton of money. So stick around and watch the full video. If you want to make money but you just do not have the time or effort to do it, then HoneyGain is for you. HoneyGain is a free app that pays you monthly for just doing what you do on a regular basis. What it does is uses your internet connection to get data from the web that will then be used by big companies for market and consumer research. It sounds pretty sketchy, right? But HoneyGain respects your privacy and will only use your internet traffic with trusted partners. What's so great about HoneyGain is that you can connect up to 10 devices and make a hefty $184 per month. What's better is that even if you only have one device, let's say an iPhone for example, you can make up to $37 per month.
And if you sign up, you'll get $5 for free just for downloading the app. That's some serious income for literally doing nothing. The second app is called Make Money. Yes, just make money. This app pays you real cash just to complete some simple tasks. These tasks include taking surveys, testing services, giving opinions, and most importantly, playing some really cool games. Each 1,000 credit is approximately worth $1. But don't worry, this adds up quickly because most surveys average 300 to 400 credits and most games more than that. For an example, I took this personal finance survey and it landed me 375 credits. As you complete these tasks, you earn credits that you can then cash out for real money. Instead of having to choose a gift card like most money-making apps make you. You can simply link your PayPal and you can get your money directly sent to your bank account. That's pretty cool. Depending on how much you use the app, you can make as much money as you want. All the way from $10 to $200. This app is the real deal. If you're enjoying the video so far, please drop a like and subscribe to see more of my content, and don't forget to comment what you think down below. If you take pictures and you want to be paid for it, then you should download PhoApp. With PhoApp, you don't even have to be a professional photographer to make money with your photos. So how does PhoApp even work? Basically, you take magnificent photos, you then upload your photo to the app. Finally, well-known brands from all around the world buy your photos. You can quite literally sell your photos to Pepsi. Pepsi is kind of trash though, so selling your photos to Coke would be a little bit cooler. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. On the app, most users sell their photos for around $10, but companies can pay you much more if you complete their missions. Missions are basically specific photos that companies are looking for you to create. Some missions pay up to $1,200 in just rewards. That is a lot of money. When you get paid, you simply just cash out through PayPal like all the other apps. The only downside to this app is that you do not get to keep 100% of what you make. PhoApp takes 50% of the amount you made. Despite this, PhoApp is a great app not only for making money, but also for some exposure. This next app is very similar to the Make Money app that I previously mentioned. It's called Money app. Like Make Money, you can earn money by completing tasks, giving opinions, and doing surveys. But with the Money app, you can do so much more. You can be a mystery shopper, check store displays, test free trials, and there's a whole lot more of tasks that are being added to the app every single day. Money app allows you to make as much money as you want when you want to. This means you can do it in the car, at work, or even in class, although that is not necessarily recommended. All you have to do is complete tasks, earn credit, and then cash out. Money app completely dismisses the idea of gift cards and sends your money directly to your account with PayPal. It's completely free to download, so it costs you absolutely no money to start. If you find yourself with a little free time, definitely try this app out. This app may be a little bit famous, as you may have seen it on Ryan Trahan's Penny series. Survey on the Go is exactly what it means. Surveys that you can take almost anywhere. It offers real cash and not credits for every survey that you take. Some surveys are worth 50 cents, but you can earn $5 per survey if you connect to its VPN that takes data from your phone. Again, it sounds very sketchy. Survey on the Go respects your privacy and will not take data from you unless you authorize it. You cash out when you hit $10 and that's it. The money goes directly to your PayPal account. It's a free app, and when you download it, Survey on the Go gives you $1. You can make up to $50 per month if you really grind on surveys. Get up out your seat and start walking, because this next app pays you to do just that. It's called StepIn. How do you use this app? You purchase NFT sneakers from their marketplace after linking your crypto wallet. After purchasing your first sneaker, you get walking. You can level up your shoe, make it cooler, and do a whole lot more. As you walk more, this app pays you with its in-game currency called GMT or GST. But you can also cash out with USDC. This app is the only app that I mentioned that's not free. You will have to pay for an NFT sneaker, and that could be quite expensive. But the developers are coming up with a leasing option, so it becomes more affordable that more people can use the app. Despite its high cost, it really does pay well. You can make up to $100 a day and quickly make up that NFT initial cost. It's much better than the other app called Sweatcoin. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to know when I post next. Also, be sure to check out some of my other helpful videos right here. Other than that, goodbye.